Oh, yes, you got it right. And the man strikes again. I cannot believe my eyes. I mean, look at this. Look. When will this stop? I mean, look at this. And the man need to stop touching professional work, man. Look at these, all these short bite, man. This breaks my heart. This is ridiculous. I mean, look at this. This is madness. Like, really, where's the drain? This is madness. I move this shit from here, man. Just take these garbage ass job, man. Hey, move these. Get away with these. You got a lot of balls to be installing these kind of short bite in these places. I mean, I could sleep at night if I've done this kind of work. But hey, oh my mighty God, man. When you thought you seen it all, I mean, look at these joints. Can they use enough primer? My God, this is ridiculous. I hope you didn't get paid for this, man. This is madness. Please take a look at this job and tell me, like, really, the person that did this kind of job should be locked up, man. He should be in prison and should be charged for such crimes you have committed. Doing this kind of work, you should be ashamed of yourself. This is a disgrace. This is ridiculous, man. I mean, I hope the person who did this kind of job didn't get paid, because this is madness. And I'm telling you, you're not getting away. You're not getting away. Jeremy is here to call you out. And I'm going to always call you out. So please, don't touch any kind of plumbing work. Because you should be charged for such crimes you commit. This is ridiculous, man. Damn. This is purely an on-demand artistry, a completely creative crap. Just throw all of this stuff in the garbage. I mean, hey, look at it. If you're somebody doing this kind of job, yes, I'm calling you out. These are rubbish. Hey peeps, good morning, happy Friday. Hope everyone is having a good Friday. I'm back again to beat them, for them to stop doing these sloppy ass jobs. But no, I won't stop. I will not stop. But yeah, just check these out. These are horrible, but hey, and the man strikes again. Oh boy, here we go again. Same bullshit, never stop. Like I said, I have unlimited amount of these bullshit ass jobs, and I'm always gonna call them out. As you can see, it's never ending here. But those jobs are completely garbage, and words can't really explain. Look at this. Is the drain gonna go up? I mean, look at this. They might look fine, but they're actually not. None of these are coded and are straight up illegal. Bullshit. Hey peeps, good morning. Hope everyone is having a good day. You think I should let these slides? Hey, I mean, they are terrible. And you know me, I'm not letting nothing slide. So yeah, these jobs are horrible. Just take a look at them. And we're not going to let it slide. We're going to call it out. We're going to call you out on demand, or whoever is doing these sloppy ass jobs. So yes, we're not letting nothing slide. I'm calling you out. Hey folks, good morning. Hope everyone is having a good day. I'm just showing you guys a few things that you should not do when installing drains and other plumbing fixtures. It's kind of ridiculous, but hey, on demand strikes again. No. You're not getting away today. On demand, please stop this. Look at this. I mean, and even this. I mean, what kind of spider web thing is this? Are you kidding me? What's this toilet doing? Lean back? You know, you actually can make good money in plumbing. You know, great money, 40, 50, 60, $70 per hour, even more. But doing these kind of jobs, you won't make the kind of money doing these kind of sloppy jobs. Hey, landlord, handyman, hey, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Please stop doing these bullshit. I mean, look at these things. Hey, stop. You guys are gonna get a beating if you continue doing these garbage ass jobs. Just leave these stuff for the professionals, for plumbers. Hey, check this out. Look at these things. They might look right, but they're actually wrong. So these are just a few things I'm showing you guys that actually might look right, but they're installed wrong, and it's definitely installed by a handyman, no one else. Okay, these are some ways you should not install your sink. Like this, absolutely not. But this, yes, this is the correct way. Nice, clean, it's very simple. This one, hell no. Water does not coax hell, it works as gravity. But this way, yes, it's simple, clean, nice, nothing complicated. This is an absolute mess. With a garbage disposal, no. But this way, it's nice, clean, everything is right, everything should work right. And this, hell no. Just hell no. But this, hell yeah. This is the right way to do it. No other way. That's it.